Hi, I'm Emanuela Blanc.
And I'm Haley Brown. This is a Penn State Today QuickCast. Thanks for joining us. Police have released the latest crime numbers after State Patty's weekend, and they say they're encouraging. State Patty's Day is a so-called student-created drinking holiday, and police and the university have been trying to reduce the impact on the community for years. Last weekend, the number of total crimes reported, arrests, and calls for service to both State College and Penn State Police saw a big drop from last year. In most cases, the numbers are the lowest in the past 9 years.
Penn State President Eric Barron was in Harrisburg a few days ago to make the case for increased funding for the university. Addressing the Senate Appropriations Committee, Barron highlighted the ways Penn State helps communities across the state. He said it contributes more than $11 billion to the economy, including more than 100,000 jobs. Penn State is requesting a 6% funding increase.
The Penn State Health CEO and Dean of the College of Medicine is retiring after 18 years with the university. Dr. Craig Hellemere will step down this summer. During his tenure, he helped expand the university's academic medical center group into a clinical and academic operation. He also shaped Penn State Health as a community-based healthcare network to improve access, quality, and affordability.
The renovation project for East Halls at University Park began after spring 2016 and is still in progress. The next phase of renovation has been approved by Penn State's Board of Trustees. They'll start construction on Sproul and Geary Halls in May, and those expected to be open for students for the fall semester in 2020. This renovation is expected to cost more than $60 million. The entire East Halls renovation project is expected to be done in 2022.
Plenty of Penn State students won't be vacationing for spring break this year. This Penn State Berks Alternative Spring Break program is taking a group of 6 students to San Juan, Puerto Rico, where the recovery continues from Hurricane Maria. They're spending this week working on a mangrove reforestation project. The group will work with Amazade, a nonprofit organization doing the project after the damage from the 2017 hurricane. That's all for the Penn State Today QuickCast.
You can see more student-produced work from the Bellisario College of Communications on our website, commedia.psu.edu. Have a great day.